Got you some hay. Today we out here, we come out to feed the horses and got out to a tractor and it's got a flat. So today we're gonna have to try to get this tired up and get it fixed so we can feed our horses. It's been cold here the last few days. We got down to, I think, a low of 10 degrees and them horses went through some hay. So stick with us and can see if we can get this tire fixed and possibly even feed the horses here in a little bit. All right, guys, I don't know what's going on here, but we're going to see if we can get this tire fixed and so we can feed our horses. We brought our air compressor out from the barn there. So we're going to shoot a little air to it and see if we can find a leak. I hear air coming from somewhere. There she is right there. I ain't even got to squirt much water on it. Shoot a little water on here. It's leaking so much you won't even squirt no water out. Can't even get no bubble there. Alright, let's see if we can get this one sealed up first. We got our reamer here. Move our stuff out the way. These tractor tires, they're no different from a car tire. Notice I got a previous plug there. I'll get us a plug here. All right, I believe that may have got it. My horses are hungry. I should have fed them a couple days ago. They still had a little bit left. It was so cold, it was brutal cold out here. The water was freezing. Had to hook those freeze mice up to the hose there to keep the water thawed out. I don't know if y'all familiar with what a freeze miser is, but out here on the farm, it's a valuable piece. If you want to know more about that freeze miser, drop me a comment below and we'll do a video on it. Alright, so we got about 38 pounds in there. That ought to be good. I'm gonna shoot this here. Make sure she ain't leaking. we got that fixed. So now we got the flat fixed. We'll put all this up and move on to the next. Oh, that ain't good. Guess the cold weather done got my battery. Let's try it one more time. Well, guess we'll ease up there and see if we can get the battery charger. All right, guys, the old battery there won't start, so we're gonna ease up here and see if we can find a jumper, or either might have to bring the old truck out and boost her off. So we have got to feed these horses. Look at them, they ready. They ready. I'll give them a little sweet feed there in a minute. Stick around, see how we give them a little sweet feed, distract them while we go around and open pasture up and run them some hay in. Little May right there. Sky, of course Emily. We're gonna go on out to the barn there and see if we can get this tractor started. All right, we got a handy dandy charger here. We'll unpack it and see if we can get it started. I'm gonna hook this up right here up for starter. It's a lot easier than trying to go up there and go in and get to the battery. I'm just gonna simply hook it up right here at the starter. See if that'll do. Hey girls, you doing your dirty mares? Okay, I realize I'm out here now. Emily. Got you some hay, girl. Got you some hay. All right, guys, it's been a day. We got our tire up, we got it plugged. We got our tractor jumped off back going. We got the horses a little sweet feed earlier. Now we got them some hay. They'll be good for about another week and they'll enjoy. If y'all like this video, check out our next video. Hit like and subscribe. And as always, God bless.